Hey guys, quick mod today on my 2017 F80 M3. I'm going to change out the front reflectors to the painted ones. It's one of those mods that I never really thought much of until I started photographing the car, and then I started noticing them becoming a little bit more of an eyesore in some of the shots. So I went ahead and ordered the paint matched ones from IND Distribution. So we're going to get those switched out today. Should be pretty easy, so hopefully they still match the front and the front bumper hasn't faded too much. Okay, so I'm wrapping up installation on the second marker here. One thing I wanted to note real quick is that it took a little longer than I expected with the heat gun to loosen the adhesive. So you definitely got to have some patience with that. But I started in the bottom corner here, and then once that was heated up enough to push through, and then I just kept some tension on it from the inside and continued to heat the rest, and after that it came out pretty easily. Okay, so installation is done. All things considered, it was pretty easy to do. Just needed a little patience there with the heat gun. But once everything was installed, I think the match is pretty close. It's not 100%, but was to be expected. And you could tell that the marker is just a little bit darker than the bumper. But you know, maybe when this thing gets paint corrected, it'll be a little less apparent. Otherwise, you know, it's really not that bad, and I think that certainly compared to the amber, it is much better. Definitely, I think will stand out less in pictures. So, super easy mod to do, definitely worth doing, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, quick mod on my 2017 F80 M3 today. Changing out the painted Hey guys, super quick super quick installing the painted front reflector replacements for, Hey guys, today I'm replacing the painted, this is tough. You know, too faded and the paint match is good. Nope. It is freezing out here. This is ridiculous. Hey guys, so today I'm installing the paint. Dude, this is so cold. Hey guys, so today Okay, last one. Oh my god, the air thing. Maybe we'll have to use that last one. One more? Okay. It's gonna take forever to edit.